Fluke, a lucky twist in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English word that can often leave people puzzled: fluke. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your everyday conversations. So, what exactly is a fluke? Well, in the English language, fluke primarily refers to an unexpected stroke of luck. It's something that happens by chance rather than as a result of skill or planning. For instance, imagine you've never played darts before. You take your first shot, and voila, you hit the bullseye. A friend might say, "That was a fluke." Here, they're suggesting that your perfect shot was more about luck than your dart throwing expertise. Knowing the history behind words can make them even more intriguing. The term fluke has nautical roots. It's another name for the parts of an anchor that dig into the seafloor to hold a ship in place. Now, how does an anchor relate to luck? It's believed that the term started being used metaphorically. If something was a fluke, it meant it unexpectedly hooked or caught success, much like how an anchor catches the seabed. Here are some sentences to help you understand how fluke can fit naturally in a conversation. 1. I didn't study for the quiz and got the highest score. It was a complete fluke. 2. Did you hear he won the jackpot? What a fluke. 3. She tried cooking without a recipe and it turned out delicious. Must have been a fluke. So there you have it, the word fluke. A delightful way to describe unexpected success or luck. I hope this deep dive helps you incorporate fluke into your English vocabulary. Remember, language is all about expressing yourself, and now you have one more word to help you do just that. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.